Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Belle's winter outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm removing everything except for the ones I did accessory adjustments on. I don't know why this is here. So for the hair, I used this hair in brown in only bangs, position the Y at 0.45. And then I also use this in only bangs, position the Y at 0.44. Then I use this for hat, don't mind the baldness at the back, we're going to cover it. In white, position the Y at 0.45, Z 0.36, and rotate the X to 1 and scale it to 0.39. Then we're going to get this cape and we're going to color it this color, 611738, and we're going to get this cape as well in only cape light air in that same color. Then we are going to get this top here, I guess the skirt first in this color, AB5A5A, and then the second one to FF8686. Then we're going to get this top and we're going to color it all the same color, like this. And then we're going to get these shoes, and I'm just going to color it this dark brown, 644343 for everything except for the lace. I'm just going to use that light pink. Then we're going to use these sleeves here in only sleeves in matte in the same color as the skirt. The first one and the second one is the lighter like pink color. Then we're also going to get this top here in all matte in that same purplish pink color, like so. And that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!